Hey guys, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. So glad to have you back again. Hope you are doing great today. I'll be showing you how to make a very simple, easy tea recipe, which is oregano tea. Oregano tea can be prepared with the fresh oregano leaves or with the dried leaves. If you can't get the leaves, you can also use the tea bag. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your favorite spice to make tea. So here is my oregano, the dried oregano leaves. So I'll be using this one because this is what I have. You can simply make the tea with the leaves, or you combine it with lemon and ginger. Oregano tea is very beneficial for cough, asthma, and it helps in weight loss, and there are other benefits of oregano tea. So today guys, we are going to be making oregano tea with oregano leaves. Now to make this tea, I'm going to use this small piece of ginger. So I'm going to keep this aside, and we are going to be using half lemon juice. So I'm going to start by peeling the skin of the ginger with a spoon. Now to release the juice from the ginger, I'm just going to go ahead and grate the ginger into tiny pieces. I'm going to place a pot on heat, then add 500 ml of clean water. I'm now going to start by adding the grated ginger into the water. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oregano leaves into the water. I'm going to stir these to combine just to allow the leaves to mix with the water. Now I'm going to cover this and bring this to a boil. After 10 minutes of cooking this, the oregano leaves are totally infused into the water. I'm going to turn off heat. I'll just go ahead and strain this into a container. Okay, so I'm going to discard the residue. Okay, well, this is almost cool. I'm going to squeeze in half lemon juice. I'm just going to mix this up to combine. Now I'm going to serve my oregano tea. You can serve this cold or warm. Honey has an antimicrobial and antibacterial property. This is going to make the oregano tea very effective. So I'm adding a tablespoon of honey into this. You can add it to your taste or totally omit this. So guys, your oregano tea is ready. Try making this healthy tea at home and leave your comments below. You can give me a thumbs up and also support me by sharing this video with friends and loved ones. And also let me know what you think about oregano tea. Until next time, see you very soon. Bye.